Hello everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my channel. So, today we're gonna set up everything we need for the advanced tutorials projects. So let's get started. All we really need is Java. So let's just go to Google. I suppose that if you are watching this, you should have already installed Java on your computer, but just to make sure, Java, and download free Java software here, and that's it. Okay, then the IDE that we're gonna use is Eclipse, right here and here, and just download and Eclipse Oxygen, and once you have the installer, just download the Java IDE. Okay, so let's get Eclipse right here. So as you can see, I already installed it. So if you open Eclipse right now, just launch it, select the workspace. How's everything going? Doing good? Great. So now, as you can see, we have the this is Eclipse right here. This is the simple tutorials. I showed you how to make a little world, and now let's just make a new project. Advanced Java tutorials. Okay, so now we have the source. Now let's just create a new package. Let's call it main for now, just to test if we did everything correctly. New class, no, main. So right here, public static void main string args. Okay, now let's just system out print ln, and finally hello world. Okay, and if you just right click to select to run this all the time, every time, run and Java application hello world. So that's basically the project that we're gonna use. Now for the final project, we're gonna need to download other stuff in a different IDE, and I will just show you Android Studio. We're gonna need this for the final project. So just download Android Studios, and you have the IDE. Then we need Genymotion. Okay, just go to Genymotion, create your account, download Genymotion, and that's it. More on the final project itself will go out once we will start it. I guess in about like a month, something like that. Yeah, so yeah. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you dudes next time. Bye. Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.